And so in the deployment pipeline inside the Contoso real estate, you'll see just that. You'll see how it will then deploy. And not only is it deploying the solutions, but it's also doing some additional steps as well. It's doing some downloading the release artifacts. It's doing things like setting environment variables using the deployment settings. So it's also wiring up connection references. But it's also doing some little kind of monkey patching, if you like. It's injecting some config into the solution, because there's some things that can't be set during using the configuration of deployment. And so what the deployment pipeline does is it actually injects some things into that zip before it actually deploys it. For example, the managed identity ID, or if you've got configuration that needs to be put into Power Pages, like the auth settings, or URLs for certain other services that it's using. You can inject those into the zip, you unzip it, update it, rezip it, and then you can deploy it. And then when you import it, you can then, as Pavel was talking about earlier, doing update or upgrade. And then, of course, what you can do is you can import data as well. So this goes back to that mantra of everything as code, because you can put all your reference data into source code as well. And so that means that every time a pull request comes in, and you can see, OK, I've updated this feature, and this feature, you might also have an update to the data that's required for those features. And so you can see that in source code. And this is incredibly powerful, I found, when you're deploying. Then there's additional post-deployment steps, such as sharing, maybe some manual steps that you might need to do, for example, fixing up the Power Pages flows. Some of these things only need to be done once, and some of them need to be done if you change anything. And so in the Contoso real estate, go and check it out. You can see all of these things in action. So you have choices to make, is the theme for today.
Yes.